Christmas, the snow starts to fall, then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. Then you know it's Christmas, 'cause Santa's on his way. We'll stand under the mistletoe, and then it's Christmas Day. The joyful times we witness forever stays with us. Soon Rudolph hears his whistle and gathers all his friends. When Santa and his missus wraps the final gift, you know it's time for Christmas for each and every one.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Merry Christmas Eve, and welcome to Vlogmas day 23. Hi everyone, Merry Christmas Eve, and welcome to Vlogmas day 23. Today we're sitting in the living room. I've already gone out for a walk with Cooper. You would have seen that. And we're gonna get this day started. I'm gonna wrap. The house is quiet. Matt and Connor are gone out for a little portion of today, and Maddie's upstairs quietly in her room. Cooper's napping, so I thought I'd take this time to wrap these Christmas gifts. I'm going to pop on a cozy Hallmark movie. We're going to wrap, and then we're going to continue on with our day. We have a lot on the agenda. It's the day before Christmas Eve, and we need to get this stuff tackled. So come along with me as I wrap some Christmas gifts. I won't be sharing the kids' Christmas gifts in this video because Maddie does watch my channel. So I am going to just share with you like some of the other gifts, maybe the ones for Matt because he does not watch my videos. And even my parents watch them. So I don't think I'll share those gifts with you all as well because I don't want to spoil Christmas for them. So let's get to wrapping.
Then you know it's Christmas, the snow starts to fall, and then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. And then you know it's Christmas, 'cause Santa's on his way. We'll stand under the mistletoe, and then it's Christmas Day.
So this is the aftermath of spending an afternoon wrapping Christmas gifts. Here they are, all wrapped up, and I'm exhausted. It's 2 o'clock, and I've been at it. I watched an entire Christmas movie. Don't even know what it was called, but it was really cute. Hallmark, you know, the typical Hallmark Christmas movie. Anyway, I need to clean this up. I need to bring the gifts back into my bedroom. They cannot stay under the tree because of Cooper. He's still napping. He took a really long nap, and I'm going to try to get him out for a second walk because that's what calms him down and makes him rest, is getting out in the fresh air and getting exercise. But I also want to bake some cookies today, so I'll probably get Maddie down and help me with that. I just keep staring at this mess. Oh, and then I keep second guessing myself if I went too minimal for Christmas or if I should go and get them more things, but they don't need it. This is where I struggle every year. I've talked about it. I don't want to be a minimalist, but I do want to live with less and I want to simplify my life. And I feel that just going out and buying a bunch of unnecessary things is not the answer to Christmas. It's not what the holidays are about. And I think we all know that. But in any case, I'm going to clean this up, put the gifts back in my room, calm Maddie down, and then we're going to do some holiday baking. Okay, so I made a simmer pot. It's just, I used the clementine peel because Maddie was having for lunch, some cloves, cinnamon, and some whole cranberries. So that's going to simmer on the stovetop while I decide what cookies to bake. It is nearly 3 o'clock. It's 2:36. So I think I'm going to make some of the Andes mint, even though no one else likes them except for me. I think we'll make some shortbreads and the Andes mint. I think that's what we're going to make today. And those clementines are delicious. So I decided not to bake right now. I'm going to, what is it, Coops? I am going to, come over here, buddy. I am going to bake. You can see him right there. Come here. Just want the attentions. Okay, so I decided I should eat first. Then I am going to decide what I want to bake. I think I want to do the Spritz cookies, the Andes mint, shortbreads. Okay, so I think I'm just going to make those 3 types of cookies tonight, and then possibly tomorrow I'll make gingerbread, but we shall see. I think shortbreads and the Andes mint, and I want to make those confetti cookies. I do have cake mix, so I think I'll make confetti cookies tonight too. We'll have a wide variety of cookies for Christmas, and so Andes, confetti, shortbreads, and there was one more. Oh, the Spritz cookies. So we're gonna make 4 types of cookies. That's ambitious for 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, so there's lunch. Same thing I had yesterday. Nacho chips, chili, and a little bit of my lactose-free Tex-Mex cheese. I just found this recipe, and now I want to try these Score shortbread melt-away cookies. They sound delicious, and we do love Score chips, and I have a bunch of the bags, so I might try these too. I think I'm getting a little ambitious, but you know what? No better time than the holidays to try out all these cookies and get them made. I can always freeze them once they're baked, and then we can take them out throughout the holiday season and enjoy them that way too.
While the snow is gently falling, we keep busy until late, 'cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red man will not wait. So we better get a move on. Let's bring on the evergreens. Keep the chimney clean, you
Okay, so I have the confetti cookies in the oven. So they're in there, and I'm going to wash my bowl so I can get ready to make the shortbread, because that batter needs to go into the refrigerator to set.
The season's all about. From upstairs we hear the laughter from the ones that waited long for the socks to fill, but they won't until the birth of Christmas Day.
Okay, so the confetti cookies are out of the oven, and I went to make the shortbreads, and I have no icing sugar. So I am switching gears, and I'm going to make the Andes Mint right now. I should check the recipe for the score shortbreads that I plan on making. Yep, icing sugar. So luckily, let's hope that Matt can find it. So I'm going to make the Andes Mint chocolate chip now.
Let us take this time to celebrate this year, and let's remember it's about the things we share. Let's come together and make memories that stay. The ones that never fade on the Christmas day. I can hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house, and the radio keeps singing what the season's all about. While the snow is gently falling, we keep busy until late, 'cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red man will not wait. So we better get to move on. Let's bring on the evergreens, keep the chimney clean, you know what I mean, 'cause tomorrow is the day. I can hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house, and the radio keeps singing what the season's all about. From upstairs we hear the laughter from the ones that waited long for the socks to fill, but they won't until the birth of Christmas Day.
So I have Andes Mint cookies. They're finished. I made the confetti, and now I'm just waiting for Matt. He had to get the icing sugar, like I mentioned. He got some. He's on his way home. Then we're going to make the shortbreads. I'm trying to decide, should I bake the spritz cookies tonight or tomorrow? Probably tonight be best, because tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Wow, I can't believe I'm saying that right now. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, but falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something, this thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together all the way. Oh, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year, something in store for us.
Okay, so here's all the cookies. I ended up making Andy's mint chocolate, these spritz cookies or cream cheese spritz, some shortbreads. These are shortbreads in the Wilson snowflake molds. I'm not a huge fan, so probably I'm going to donate that. And these are spritz, and then I have underneath there, you would have seen already, the confetti cookies, confetti cake cookies. So that is all my holiday baking. Kitchen's not looking too bad. Few things that need to be picked up. We have some chicken in the air fryer right now, but I did all the dishes. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this tray here to see if I can corral some of my items that are here on this counter, just so it doesn't look as cluttered. I decided it looks more cluttered, so I'm just going to leave it as is and keep the tray in the living room. Okay, so it is so much later. I have taken Cooper out. He's gone to bed. I'm gonna go shower, wash my hair, so it's all ready for tomorrow and I won't have to shower. The winds are picking up a lot right now and it's starting to hail a little bit. We're supposed to get some pretty nasty weather tomorrow into Christmas Day, and I am really worried about us losing power, so I want to make sure that I'm showered and that my hair is washed so I won't have to worry about that. And if we do lose power, we'll have to deal with it when the time comes. Luckily, my father-in-law just got a generator, so we should be okay with that. But in any case, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you're enjoying Vlogmas. I will see you tomorrow for another day. And when you watch this video, it's Christmas Eve. No, it's Christmas Day. So Merry Christmas. Thanks so much for being a part of my YouTube family. I love and appreciate you all. I hope that you had a wonderful Christmas day, and we'll see you soon with our Christmas special, which will be probably a combination of Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, and that will be on December 27th or 28th, right around there, just depending on if we have power and if I'm able to edit and upload videos. So thanks so much for being here. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you very soon. Bye now.